Hi Virgo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 20th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what the particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Knight of Swords, the Six of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. Person B here has 8 of Swords, 7 of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Now I have a lot of Swords energy, which means the air signs, and it could be that maybe you're dealing with one of those air signs. Now bottom of the deck I have King of Wands, which is fire signs, and it means that you'll get into a very strong energy where whatever you want, you'll go ahead and get it. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is the energy where you want to rush in and have a very honest conversation with this person. The second card is Six of Swords. It means that there will be something which will make you feel that this is kind of a burden. The third card for you is Six of Pentacles, which is the sharing card. So in some cases you may be sharing your time, money, energy, something with two people at the same time. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is Eight of Swords, which means that they are stressed out. There's a lot of anxiety, guilt also that this person is feeling. The second card is Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords is the card where there's some kind of deceptive behavior that this person is doing, something behind your back that you're not aware right now, and maybe that is something which is causing them stress. The third card is Knight of Cups, which means that they want to rush in and talk to you about something. Maybe if they have not expressed their emotions, they want to rush in and express their emotions to you. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card is Knight of Swords, Seven of Swords again, and the Two of Cups. Knight of Swords, as I said, they want to rush in and have a very honest conversation about something. With Seven of Swords, that's deceptive behavior, and with Two of Cups, it means emotional connection, feelings of love and affection between two people. So there's definitely something which is going on behind your back. You might want to take this relationship a little slow and see and observe this person before you decide what you want to go ahead and do next. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle text for all of you. So the message I see here is step out of your comfort zone. Now if you're very comfortable in this relationship, then there is a message for you that it's time that you come out of that comfort zone. Maybe there are things which are happening and you are ignoring them. There could be some red flags out there, so just be a little more alert, and that's when you can go ahead and see what's exactly happening around you and your person. Now let's also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal for you is Celestite. The crystal message is, are you hearing messages from your angels? Have you noticed your life flows easily as if divine timing is working in your life? Peace is yours. You have a team of angels on your side, illuminating and orchestrating your life. They respond to your thoughts, wishes and dreams according to the divine plan. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it from there. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.